I am here to apologize. But why? I made a video a few days ago where I compared ChatGPT with CodeLLAMA. You can watch the video here. Things are relative and we should not make comparisons. In this video, I will use a better trained version of the CodeLLAMA model called. I am running this model in here and I can just prompt it to give something like give me a Python code to generate numbers from 1 to 1000 or 10,000. Click generate and we are seeing the result here. In the previous video, this was not possible. So if I gave this prompt, it would generate the numbers from 10 less than this number. I mean only 1000. If I gave 1000, the output will be numbers from 1 to 100 only. But in this model, it is much improved. Let's test it out. Run the code using Python 3 and here we go. We have numbers from 1 to 1001. Build a snake game using Pygame in Python. Let me click generate. So here we go. It gives us the game here. Let me now show you how to install this using runpod. So what is runpod? If I go to the home page of this GPU cloud, yes, it is GPU cloud where we can host our model from Hugging Face. So on the home page, let me delete this pod that I am having currently. So to delete a pod, first stop it and then delete this button. Click the button of delete to terminate it. Now we have no pods. Our balance is, my balance is $6.77. So this model is free to use, but we have to pay to run pod to use the GPU. Now what we need is to go to this GPU 1X RTX A6000. Click deploy. Choose this model, choose the template here, which is the block local LLMs one-click UI. So I am choosing it. Click continue and here is the cost of this model. Click deploy. It was in dollars. So it is redirecting to my pods. Let's wait for it. Our pod is now starting and once it starts successfully, we will get running in here as the status. Wait, yes, now it's running. We can see. Now we need to click connect in here. Then what we need is to connect to this server port of 7860. It will open up in a new tab. Now this is the home page of this GPU cloud. We need to go to model and wait for some time to load. Then come to this page of Hugging Face, copy this model, come to this page, add the model name in here. We need to download it. So click download. What we now need is to just increase, okay, not this. What we need is to reload this page here. Click this button of reload, choose your model, and once you choose it, you need to choose XLLAMA. Okay, let's wait for some time. We need to choose this model loader called XLLAMA HF. Choose it, wait for again some time, and we have this token length as 2048. Copy the token length and then click load in here. It is getting loaded as you see in here. Now come to params, just shift the max tokens to 2048 in here. The same model number, the same sequence number in here to here. Decrease temperature to 0.1, the lesser the more better, because we are having code, and I guess the less this is the temperature, the more better our model works if we are generating code, because this is for creativity, so we don't want creativity in here. Now come to default. We need to switch this to something like prompt. We have to give some prompt here. After this, we need to give the prompt that we want. Say, give me Python code to generate numbers from 1 to 1000. And we have to spell check. Now give two spaces, I mean plus two enters. Yes. And it is now in here, the steps. And that's how we use CodeLLAMA using run pod. And once you finish, just go to my pods and just stop this GPU because you will get charged still. That's not all. You also have to terminate, so do it. This has been stopped, and that's how we use this model in run pod.